Hello everyone, at ayun na nga, nakompleto na ang ating 20 winners para doon sa aking birthday. Ayun, kahit na hindi pa ating birthday, ayun, na-claim na nila ang kanilang prizes. At syempre, ayun, sponsored this video si Ma'am Maisel Jewelry. Dapat naka-like, subscribe kayo sa aking YouTube channel at pa-like na rin ang kanyang page, yung Maisel Jewelry, para magkaroon kayo ng cash. Syempre, hindi nyo sa kanya kukunin yung cash sa akin. Ayun. Pag nakita nyo ako sa pagbablog ko sa event or sa isang shop, ayun. At syempre, nandito tayo sa Transport Show, May 25, Day 3. Sama ka sa biyahe ko.
Flashback.
Hello everyone, at ayun, Day 3 na ng Transport Show. Ayun, kasama natin si Ma'am Shimi Ferrer. Ayun.
Hi everyone!
Hello everyone, at nandito tayo sa Transport Show. Ayun, Day 3. At May 25, 2024, kasama natin si Ma'am Lu. Ayan.
Hi!
Hello everyone, at ngayon ay Day 3 ng Transport Show. Ayun. At syempre, kasama natin si Ma'am Abby. Then, Ma'am Abby. Hello everyone, at ayun, Day 3 ng Transport Show. Syempre, kasama natin si Ma'am Carmen. Ayun.
Hi!
Hello everyone, today is Day 3 ng Transport Show. Ayun, May 25, 2024, kasama natin si Ma'am Chelsea. Ayun. Then, hello everyone, today is May 25, 2024, Day 3 ng Transport Show. At kasama natin si Ma'am Mika. Ayun.
Hello!
Then, hello everyone, today is Day 3 ng Transport Show, May 25, 2024, kasama natin si Ma'am Kiana.
Hello!
Then, hello everyone, today is Day 3 ng Transport Show. Siyempre, ang hyper natin kasama.
I know, right?
Si Ma'am Silvana.
Yes. Hello everyone!
Hello everyone, Day 3 ng Transport Show. Ayun, kasama natin si Ma'am Sandra. Ayun.
End of flashback.
Hello everyone, today is Day 3 ng Transport Show, May 25, 2024. Kasama natin si Ma'am Rosie. Ayun. Ma'am Rosie, kamusta naman po ang pagpunta dito sa event, Ma'am?
So far it's okay naman po kasi I was able to look at different cars. Pero personally, I'm not that much of a car person. My friend Sandra just invited me here. Like, bigla niya lang tinanong kanina na, Rosie, free ka ba today? May plans ka ba? Sabi ko, wala naman. So, sama ka sa akin. Ganyan. So, ayun. So, parang going around, parang it's fun naman po kasi, you know, I was able to see different cars and different types of cars. Like, may mga supercars and then may mga ganyan. And then I saw Batman too. So cool.
Then, Ma'am Rosie, regarding po pala kay Sandra is, ayun, nabanggit niya earlier na isang friend na nag-invite sa kanya. Kayo po ba yung nag-trigger or may other friend pa na ano po?
No, she's the one who invited me.
Okay. Then, ayun ma'am, ano po yung masasabi niyo na, ayun nga, dinumog siya ng mga photographers na ano?
I'm actually happy for her kasi going here, wala naman po kami expectation, just go around lang talaga. So like when a lot of photographers like came around to us and her, I was like, oh my god, this is her moment. I hope nostalgia.
So far, ayun, sa mga friend kong photographers, ayun, ano naman ang masasabi niyo sa kanila, ma'am?
Cool po sila. Like, buti naman po may boundaries sila na respectful na nag-ask po sila na, ma'am, pwede po ba kayong picturean, ganyan. And, mayroon din po silang, yung boundaries po talaga yung what I like. And, ayun po, respectful.
Then, ayun ma'am, ma'am, parang planning sa mga future events na kayo, pumunta sa Sandra or kayo mismo na, sa mga future events na kagaya ng ganito, ma'am?
I think, yes, because parang it's chill naman here and parang everyone's minding their own business and just looking around cars and taking photos. So, of course.
Yeah. Then, ma'am, business na gusto nyo i-plug, family business or personal business nyo, ma'am?
None pa, pero I'm still building up my own like personal brand sa creative naman. So now wala pa. Pero my IG is R0C.
Yeah. And sa FB, ma'am, wala? Or,
Sorry.
Okay. And once again, thank you, Ma'am Rosie.
Thank you.
Flashback. A flashback.
Hi guys, please like and subscribe to Alex Pangilinan. Hi everyone, please like, share, subscribe Alexander Pangilinan. Please subscribe Alex Pangilinan's YouTube channel. Hi, please do like, share, and subscribe Alex Pangilinan YouTube account.
Please follow and watch Alex Pangilinan YouTube channel.
Hi guys! Please follow, subscribe, and like Alex Pangilinan's YouTube channel. Thank you!
Alex Pangilinan, please like, share, and subscribe.
Hello everyone! Please like and subscribe to Alexander Pangilinan YouTube channel.
Hi! Please like and share, subscribe Alex Pangilinan YT.
Hello mga biyaheros, kung bitin pa kayo sa aming regular episode, meron tayong mga shorties, meron din tayong bloopers, question and answer, at kung ano-ano pa. Just click, click, click. Click nyo na, huwag nyo na kayo pinch. Hello everyone, today is day 3 ng Passport Show.